Don Rush here, West Coast Classic Cougar. It's a beautiful sunny March Monday. Too nice to be in the office, so here I am. I'm gonna take this for a spin here in a few. But I got an exciting new product to tell you about today. This is the XR7G facsimile console. It's not an exact reproduction because most people that buy these don't have an XR7G, but they want the functionality that this console can potentially bring. And this is made by a very talented guy, customer of mine for years. He has a XR7G. And over the years, he's come to me multiple times and said, hey, Don, do you have a front valence for a G? Do you have a this? Do you have a that? And I'm like, oh, that's a tough one. And then he goes out and makes it if I don't have it. There you go. He did it. Check this out. This is real leather, just like the XR7G. Some upgrades, though. Look at this. The XR7G had a very flimsy plastic liner, and this is aluminum. And this resembles what the G would have. This is a usable piece here. Correct stitching for the most part. As a add-on feature, it'll cost more money, we can embroider a Cougar logo, XR7 logo, XR7G potentially. Right now I just have 3 or 4 to choose from. You can order these with a black painted recess, or you could order them with the faux XR7 wood grain. I just put this on quickly to show you, what it looks like with and without. We have these available, no extra charge to go wood grain. So if you have an automatic, even though this hole looks rather small, it's the same cutout, same hole, 4-speeder automatic. It's just you have to utilize the little Mustang domed shifter used in 67, 68 non-console applications. And of course we sell that, and that's inexpensive. So we're going to leave it blank like this in most cases, unless you say, no, I'm putting an XR7G clock in. And that way, if that's the case, look there, there's your clock studs. We just cut the hole, fold the leather back, and you can put your clock there. Some people want to put a little infotainment screen here. There's all kinds of things you could do here. You can do nothing here, 1 cup holder, 2 cup holders. Here's another beauty of this console. We sell them without the base. You're going to utilize your existing base. If you don't have an existing base, this is an easy one to find. Here's why. Oftentimes when a console base gets broken, it's in this region, meaning the original consoles go straight up like this, and a lot of times people modify them for radios and such, so you can find them broken in this region. Oftentimes they get broken elsewhere, but look how much this console encapsulates the original base. So there's a lot of bases out there that are substandard that you can get at swap meets for as little as 50 bucks and put our portion on the top of it. So pricing is on our website, and it's a work in progress, because you and others are gonna say, hey, can you do it this way? And we'll say, well, gee, if one guy wants it that way, another guy will want it. So we'll get a lot of variations on there, and they're made to order, meaning you might have to wait a month or so. This is really limited because this guy that makes these isn't gonna make them forever. He's got a real job, he's really busy, he's restoring his own Cougar, but I think he is gonna make a dozen or more for us. Colors will be announced right now. We're starting with black, but yeah, we'll do some colors eventually. So check it out on our website. The search word is XR7G Console. And I want to invite other people. There's craftsmen all amongst my thousands of customers. If you got an idea and it's not currently on the market and you think you could bring it to the market, we love doing items like this that can't be had anywhere else. And we love having the exclusive on neat items like this. Even if it's a little widget, spacer, clip, whatever. If you got an idea, I want to hear it. So hey, thanks for checking out my new addition to the lineup, and thanks again to Randy for making this.